Hey there, Drady here. Today's video is all about how we got into candle making.
Hey guys, so we're here to talk about our candle journey. So it started in the year 2017. That's when I first laid eyes on Katie. It was September of 2017, and then that November we started dating, officially dating. And then the holidays were coming up, and I have a really big Mexican family, so we have like tons of people that show up on Christmas. She has a pretty decent sized family as well. And at the time, I think you were working part-time.
I was working part-time, and then you were a full-time student.
Full-time student, and then also working part-time. Started compiling our list of people that we wanted to give gifts to on Christmas.
Yeah.
And how many people were on that list?
There's at least like 75 people on there with family and some close friends. So there was a lot. It was a big list.
It's a ginormous list for somebody on a part-time budget. So Katie loves making things from home. She loves crafts. She loves essential oils, that whole realm and sphere of handmade and handcrafted goods. So, and I love like entrepreneurship, and I love building businesses. I love creating things. So we put our heads together and we started thinking, all right, how can we give gifts that are within our price bracket that we can afford to the people that we love and care for that are in our life? So we started thinking, started doing some research, and we came up with soap. So we started making soap from home, and she started coming up with all the ingredients, how to do it, what goes into it, and I started thinking about packaging, how are we gonna make it look beautiful. And then from there, we developed our first line of soap, and we handed them out to each person that was on that list. All 75 people on that list.
All 75.
And then after Christmas, we started getting more of those people contacting us, asking us if we had any more of that soap and that they were willing to buy that soap. So we were like, hey, let's turn this thing into a business. So we went online, started researching how to start a business. I had a little experience with the business. She had a little experience. So we started making these bars of soap in bulk, and people were loving them. I was loving them. I know I was loving them.
Yeah.
Like 6 months passed, and then some of our customers were asking us if we made any candles. And at the time we didn't, but my response was, yeah, we make candles. So Katie and I started researching a little bit on how to make candles. We bought a couple tins, started pouring our candles. How did we pour them? Was it the melt and pour method, or?
We melted the wax in the microwave. That's
in the microwave.
For the candles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we melted because I didn't know anything about the double boiler method where you have the tin and the pot. So I just melted all of our wax in the microwave.
Yeah, and then we poured it in a tin and called it good. And then a year went by, fast forward, 2019, I proposed to Katie.
Yeah.
And she said, yes, thank you, Lord. So we kind of slowed down our business as we were preparing to get married and doing all the planning, and then bam!
The pandemic hit.
The pandemic hit.
Coronavirus came.
Which made everything more difficult. Planning a wedding, continuing our business, going outside. Like everything was just a challenge. So we kind of shut down our shop just so we could focus on getting married. And then on July 11th, 2020, we tied the knot. And it was so cool because Katie made some of our wedding party favors, candles, and we had them, all of them?
All of them.
All of them were candles. So she put together a recipe for candles, and then from our wedding, people were asking us if we had any more of those. So after our honeymoon and everything, you want to explain how we...
So after our honeymoon, we were thinking about it, and we were trying to like brainstorm and thinking like, hey, maybe we should relaunch our Drady website, because like Andrew said, after everyone who got a favor at our wedding kept saying, oh, like, I love them, do you have more? And I was like, let me think, not right now. So we started brainstorming, and we wanted to relaunch Drady. So we took the time to research everything.
We did a little bit of research the previous time when we started making candles, but this time we
realized there was a lot more into candle making than the first time around. So this time we were really intentional about it, and we really took a lot of time to research and figure out all the things that actually went into candle making that we didn't really know beforehand. And because like I said beforehand, we thought, oh yeah, we kind of know, but we didn't realize how much went into candle making until this time around. And because our candles weren't bad the first time,
right,
they were good,
horrible.
but we knew we wanted to make them great. We wanted to have really good candles.
Right.
So after taking months and months
of testing research.
And researching, we decided that it was time. Andrew said, okay, we're launching this date. I didn't think we were ready, but I knew if we didn't have a deadline, we would probably never launch it.
Yeah.
So I was a little terrified when he said, okay, November 11th, we're launching. And so I was like, oh, are you sure? Yeah. I don't think so. But he was like, nope, we need to. And then bam, November 11th, our new website was relaunched with all of our new candles and all of our new products.
Yep. And it's been going great ever since. And one thing that I emphasized to Katie, I think it was after our honeymoon, is we want to encourage couples to do life together. Mm-hmm. And as a new married couple, we wanted to build something that would not require us to go separate directions during the week as we go off to work and provide for our family. We wanted to wake up and go to someplace together and build something so that our future children can develop when they're grown up and they could help grow. So we wanted to do something that would be lasting, that would live after we're both gone, after our kids are gone, that'll keep growing and growing. So we're really putting everything into this, our entire, we're so passionate about it. Every day we wake up thinking about new candle scents,
oh my gosh,
names of candles.
All we're thinking about is candles.
Where to get our next jars, what's our next move, are our customers enjoying our product. We're really putting everything and so much love, effort, and faith into everything that we do. So in conclusion, if you're looking to start a business, whether it's candles, whatever it is, our best advice for you is to just jump in and do it, right? There's no right time. There's no wrong time.
Yeah.
All it takes is a little faith, hard work, consistency, focus, razor sharp focus. Starting with the end in mind, seeing a good, big, broad future and making steps to get to that place. And honestly, that's what we're doing. Yeah. We have a lot of people in our life that are saying, hey, maybe it's not going to work out, or this is a cute little season and phase of your life. All you got to do is block that out, razor sharp focus on the end in mind, and just work consistently, hardworking, waking up. If you're working a full-time job, getting off and start working again on this job. We do 8 hours a day at our job, and then we get home and we do another 8 hours or 9 hours of candle making, candle brainstorming, and then we're going to sleep and doing it all over again. But we know in our hearts that 5 years from now, it's going to pay off if it's not already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you like this video, if you have any more questions on how to start a candle business, go ahead and drop some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this post, and follow us on Instagram. I think I got it down now. It's right here.
Right here.
We love you so much. God bless you. We're rooting for you. We're praying for you, and we love you. See you later.
Bye.